which is a size 4.5, and this Aran yarn. I start making a slip knot. I will chain 49. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will start with the first row. In each chain I will make a double crochet. I will start in the third chain. 1, 2 and 3. This is my third chain. I yarn over, insert in the chain, pull up the yarn, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So yarn over, insert in the chain, pull up the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. I'm now at the end of row 1. I've made 47 double crochet. Now I will turn my work and chain 2, 1 and 2, and make a double crochet in the first stitch. In the second stitch I will also make 1 double crochet, yarn over, insert, pull up, yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. In the third stitch I will make 2 double crochet. There's 1, and in the same stitch I will make another one. You will repeat this in row 2. So 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet. I'm at the end of row 2. I've made 64 double crochet, and now I will turn my work. I will start with row 3. I chain 2, 1 and 2, make a double crochet in the first stitch, and a double crochet in the second stitch, and a double crochet in the third stitch. And in the fourth stitch I will make 2 double crochet. So 1, and in the same stitch another one. So in row 3 you will make 1, 1, 1 and 2 double crochet. Okay, I'm at the end of row 3, and I will close the circle, making a slip stitch to the first chain of row 3. Yarn over and pull through the loops. And now I will turn my work and start with row 4. I will chain 2, 1 and 2, and now I will make in each 4 stitches 1 double crochet, and in the 5th stitch 2 double crochet. So this is my first stitch. Make 1 double crochet, in the second stitch 1 double crochet, in the third stitch 1 double crochet, and in the fourth stitch 1 double crochet, and in the fifth 2 double crochet. Repeat this in row 4. 4 times 1, and in the fifth stitch 2 double crochet. I'm at the end of row 4, and I will slip stitch into the first stitch to close the row. In this row I've made 96 double crochet. I will now turn my work, start with row 5. In this row I will make the armholes. I will chain 2, 1 and 2, and make a double crochet in the first 14 stitches. And this is my first. So I've made 14 double crochet. I didn't count my first beginner chain. And now I will chain 2, 1 and 2, and I will skip 20 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. This is my 21st stitch. I will make a double crochet. So now you can see I'm making the armhole by skipping this, and this will get where you can put your arm in. Now I will make 27 more double crochet, including this one there will be 28 double crochet. I've made 28 double crochet, and now I will chain 2, 1 and 2, and skip 20 stitches again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is my 21st stitch. And I will make a double crochet. Now I will make 13 double crochet more. So I'll have on this part a total of 14 double crochet, including this first one. I'm at the end of row 5, and I will slip stitch into the first stitch, and I will turn my work and start with row 6. I will chain 2. On each stitch I will make a double crochet, and on top of these chain 2 I will make 4 double crochet. Still at row 6, I've reached the chain 2. I will make 4 double crochet, I work around the chain 2. There's 1, 2, 3 and 4. And I will continue in my row working 1 double crochet in each chain, in each stitch. I'm at the end of row 7. I will close the row with a slip stitch. This is how my work looks like. And now I will start with the skirt. I will turn my work at chain 2. And in the same stitch, the first stitch, I will make a double crochet, chain 1, and in the same stitch I will make 2 double crochet. Now I will skip 1 stitch, and in the next stitch I will make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, chain 1 and make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. I will repeat this in row 7. And at the end of row 7, I've made 32 bundles of 2 double crochet, 1 chain and 2 double crochet. I will now make a slip stitch to the first stitch. And slip stitch 1 more to get in the middle of my first bundle. And now I will chain 2 and make 2 double crochet. So, in the middle, on top of the chain, 2 double crochet, chain 1 and make 3 double crochet in the same space. There's 1, 2 and 3. Now I will hop over to the next middle of the next bundle. So in this hole I will make 3 double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet 3. Three double crochet, chain 1 and make more 3 double crochet in the same space. You will repeat this in each hole, in each space of the bundle, and work until you have 20 rows, and then you are finished. Now you can see I finished the dress. On the back I sew a little button. I use the flower button. You can better pick out a flat button so it will not irritate on the back. Thank you for watching.